Hey guys, Mr. Al. Just want to give you guys a quick update on what's going on. So you guys have obviously joined the self-paced um, part of our class, which is great. Good for you. Uh, your first thing you're going to do is run into the self-paced learning for Civil War, pre-Civil War. Okay, this is a page that I've included into the folder. Okay, it's just called Directions and Learning Menu. It's very easy to navigate. Okay, so go ahead and start navigating through it. Play around with it, look through it, see what kind of piques your interest. I am right here, like it says, I'm asking that you all use Gale as well as Flipboard. Flipboard is a resource that is new to me, and I think it's awesome. So earlier today, I typed in American Civil War, and I got a bunch of stuff. Okay, like a bunch. Now you can use that. It is up to you now to dictate what is worthy of being used and what is not worthy of being used. Okay. So Flipboard's one thing. Gale's another thing that we've used it before. So two things. Well, one thing that's pretty familiar to you, and another thing that's fairly new to you, I think. So use those things. Try to utilize them to the best of your ability. I would like you to use them as much as possible. Okay. These or this is your learning menu. Okay. This is what you're going to be choosing from. I have a list of topics to the left, and I have a list of ideas for projects to the right. You will need to complete 6 projects / assignments, or whatever you want to call them, by May 29th. Yes, by May 29th. All right. So basically, that's 2 every day. Now you can dictate how and when you would like to complete them. You dictate your own timeline. All right. That's part of this self-paced. I have suggested deadlines that will be put into the Schoology for you, so you can follow those, and that's fine too. Okay, you don't have to set your own, but you're allowed to. It all would need to be done by May 29th, though. Everything needs to be turned in by then to be considered for, full credit. So, topics-wise, there's the list right here. You pick any topic from this list. That doesn't need to be in order, okay? So you can do something from the Civil War and then go back and do something like the election of 1860. That is okay. Same thing over here. You don't need to just go horizontal, okay? So if topic John Brown, you don't need to just do an Instagram template. You can do an infographic, or you can do a one-page letter. You can do any of those ideas, okay? Now for both the topics and the mini projects, if you have something that you would want to, like, say, cover in a topic, like, say, you don't like any of those battles that I've picked over there and you want to do something else, just talk to me and we can make something work. Same thing with a project. Let's say you have done 5 of these and your last one, you want to do something that you thought of and you think it's interesting, creative, and innovative, then let me know and we'll work on that, okay? I have no issue with that. The skills, I have included this in there, not for you to be picking skills, just to show you kind of that these are skills that you use in social studies every day. They're skills that you might not realize you're using, but you are using. So down here, you'll see directions for assignments, okay? So for all of these assignments, there are directions right here, okay? So that should help you guys out while you're working on the assignments, okay? And then right here it says skills. That kind of goes more in depth about these skills and exactly what you do that basically says, hey, I'm doing these skills. I didn't even realize I was doing them, but I'm doing them. Because you guys do every day. Okay? So pick a topic, pick an idea here, okay? And just kind of get to work. Use Gale, use Flipboard. You can use any resource online. Whenever you do use something that I haven't provided you, I do ask that you properly cite that, okay, with an MLA citation. You can use EasyBib, okay? So there's some time saved for you. But I'm excited, guys. I think this is going to be fun, a cool way to end the year for us. So if you guys have questions, do not hesitate to reach out via email. If we're in class, raise your hand. If I can't get to you right away, I'll get to you as soon as possible. I will make sure that you all succeed, okay? If you guys try, I will try 10 times harder, okay? So just do your best, and I'm excited, all right? So hopefully you watch this video because you're off to a good start. Second of all, make sure you read these directions so you know what's going on, okay? All right.